What if you could create better headlines with AI and then see exactly how your website is performing without digging through confusing Google Analytics reports? In this video, I'll show you how to use the new AI headline suggestions and the redesigned Monster Insights reports, step by step. Let's jump in. First, open any post in WordPress and launch the Headline Analyzer. Enter the headline you're considering. With a click, Monster Insights gives you multiple headline ideas, and each suggestion comes with its own headline score. You can quickly compare several options and find a stronger one. Now, this doesn't mean you should automatically pick the headline with the highest score. Think of these suggestions as a starting point. Look for the headline that combines a strong score with a clear promise that actually matches your content. Once you've found one you like, you can use it as your new headline. And that's it. No separate AI tool, no copying your headline into another website. But creating better content is only half the equation. You also need to know whether that content is actually performing. And that's where the redesigned Monster Insights reports come in. Head over to Monster Insights Reports. You'll notice the interface is cleaner and easier to navigate. Instead of feeling like you're staring at a wall of analytics data, the reports are organized into clear sections. The redesigned interface makes it easier to switch between the different parts of your data and quickly find the information you're looking for. For example, you can use your reports to understand things like your website traffic, how your content is performing, and where your visitors are coming from. And depending on your Monster Insights plan, you'll also have access to additional reports for things like Search Console, e-commerce, and forms. The redesigned interface makes all of that information easier to navigate. Here's why these two updates work so well together. First, use the Headline Analyzer to create and improve your content's headline. Then, use your Monster Insights reports to understand how your website and content are performing. So you're not just creating content and hoping it works. You're creating smarter content and using your data to make better decisions. If you're tired of jumping between WordPress, Google Analytics, and complicated reports just to understand your website, Monster Insights brings your most important insights right into your WordPress dashboard. Try Monster Insights and make your website analytics a whole lot easier.